Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green Moong Dal. First, select high-quality green Moong Dal seeds for optimal germination. Then, soak about 1/4 cup of seeds in water for 6 to 8 hours or even overnight. Make sure the seeds are fully submerged so they can absorb enough moisture, which is crucial for sprouting. This initial step is vital for a successful harvest. After soaking, drain your seeds completely. Next, transfer them to a sprouting jar or a breathable cloth bag. It's important to rinse the seeds with fresh water 2 to 3 times daily to keep them moist and prevent mold. This regular rinsing helps maintain a healthy environment for the sprouts to develop. You should see tiny sprouts emerge within 1 to 2 days. Once your sprouts are about 1/2 to 1 inch long, they are ready for harvest. Gently rinse the harvested sprouts with cool water before you plan to eat them or store them. For storage, place the fresh sprouts in an airtight container and keep them in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh and crisp for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal. For the best results, maintain a warm environment, ideally around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, as this encourages faster growth. Also, avoid exposing your sprouting Moong Dal to direct sunlight, which can quickly dry out and damage the delicate sprouts. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homegrown, nutritious green Moong Dal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.